Hi friends, welcome to IT Port. In this session we are going to see about wait for statement in SQL Server. What is meant by wait for? How it is used in SQL Server? Wait for statements blocks the execution of a batch, stored procedure or transaction until a specified time or time interval is reached. And a specific statement modifies or returns at least one row. While executing the wait for statement, the transaction is running and no other requests can run under the same transactions. So if you mention the wait for with the time to execute, SQL Server waits up to the time is reached, and the delay means it will wait for particular minutes or seconds or hours and then proceed with a statement execution. And the actual time delay may vary from the time specified in time to pass and time to execute or timeout, and depends on the activity level of the server. The time counter starts when the thread associated with the wait for statement is scheduled. If the server is busy, the thread may not be immediately scheduled. Therefore, the time delay may be longer than the specified time. And this is the syntax for the wait for statement. Wait for delay time to pass. That means here we can mention hours or minutes or seconds, and one is time to execute up, that's 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, that. And the receive statement, get conversation group statement and timeout. It's applicable only for service broker messages. So let us check with the simplest example for this wait for. Check with the employee table. Here will executing this statement, it will fetch the status without no seconds. Here we mention wait for delay for 3 seconds, hour, minutes, seconds. So it will wait up to 3 seconds and then execute with the statement. So this is the example for delay, and the time is wait for time. Here time is 4:48, here up to 4:49. See, it's going to reach up to 4:49. Okay. Time is reached and the batch is executed. So these are the examples for wait for delay and time. We can use these wait for statements in procedures also. Create procedure, employee PROC, yes, and we can use this wait for delay up to 4 seconds and then proceed with our regular statements, fetch statements, employee, so if we execute this procedure, it will wait for 4 seconds and before that we can use that wait for delay for the batch So we can call the wait for statement within a SQL batch or stored procedures, views, functions, any object we can call after delay or time statements, wait for statements. But we cannot use the wait for statements in view or cannot be opened on cursor statement. Views cannot be applicable. Views cannot accept the wait for delay statement. See, going to create one view employee as employee. Before that, wait for delay. So it gives a error because it's not meet syntax, fulfill the views syntax. So we cannot use wait for statement in view, but we can call the view after delay statements. See, view employee will execute, wait and execute with the view. So by the wait for time or delay statements used to wait for particular time and execute with the SQL batches. So it will block the SQL server and execute with the coming statements. So these are the simplest example for wait for statements. Hope this topic will be very useful to you. If you like this session, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you, friends.